Ni swing basakan tikon changsantai ya tech tutor channel onar mchakswa. Tali bako anga concentration of solution ko might ke express ka again wani man agananggen. Skang pa concentration ara maya. Concentration inne aganon the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solution. Jiko agano de no 100 ml water donga ino anga 1 gram salt ko dissolve ka. So yan amount of solute ya kon concentration da amount of solute by the amount of solute ya 100 ml lo ba solution to dissolve wa kon concentration ne agana. Tawa nga ino 1 gram ra salt ko aro tawa nga iko dapat to de yara ya solution ora kari kangno mo skang pa 1 gram ra de kura chera dilute nya angin man no ba amount of solute tara khumia di ba daw amount of solute banga hani man kari banga hani man kura concentrated ne agana mangin concentration ko anching qualitatively or quantitatively express kana tamat na je ko ano de anga dilute or concentration ne ana ko anching qualitatively san aga nag tamat na again ba tapeni mo khari ko tapeni na ya khari khaja ode ba khari khaja ya de ba khari kha ne aga na san mat na again qualitatively ndi ba anching ko quantitatively ba express kana mat na anching ya unit to mungsni donga warangan mass percentage chi express kanamat na concentration angko volume percentage chi express kanamat na mass by volume percentage aro parts per million mole fraction molarity aro molality chi anchang concentration angko express kanagtamat na ba wako amna gatamat na concentrate amount of solute by ta donga chin wako amna gatamat na skang pa anchang yang na one mass percentage mass ne aganon wan chung chemistry de weight kom ksonga ba amount of matter ba ta donga kom ksonga so mass percentage ani gman yara w by w chi express ka are percentage no agano de phangna anchen ko multiply by 100 chi khatnagta nanggen the mass percent of a component yakura ini definition mass percentage definition mass percent of a component is equal to mass of the component in the solution divided by total mass of the solution into 100 again. The mass of the component component era solute aruba solvent pang nagtaman again. So mass of the solute ko amnangode mass of the solute in the solution divided by total mass ko amnagatnalangin solute or solvent total ko amnagatangin aro percentage kani bani ko 100 chen multiply kanagta nanggen example ko niyang na if a solution is described by 10% glucose niya kaniya 10% glucose ay water dissolve on by mass uni mass oni manching gram ba kg ko takalagta nanggen so it means 10% no de anchingara 10 gram of glucose niya kaniya 10 gram of glucose again dissolve in 90 gram of water again are 90 plus 10 de 100 again mo ni gman ya 10% ya ano de pangnan 10 gram of glucose again dissolve in 90 gram of water are ya total de 100 again the volume percentage ko yang na volume percentage non volume by volume ki express nga v by v ni express ka so volume percentage of a component ra may na volume of the component yan solute pa solvent yan volume uni volume divided by total volume total amna nanggen mo solid or solvent ko total volume of the solution into 100 yaba percentage and even into 100 kanagta nanggen example ko niyang na 10% ethanol solution in water yani 10% nimun total de 100 nanggen percent ya ana jing pangnan 100 non sa alunga nimun 10% odera volume ani man ml ko jakhals kaya ba liter tamangen so 10 ml of ethanol dissolved in water that means ya total ode may genok na total volume de 100 ml ongen ariko into 100 chi multiply kananggen Ketang para mass by volume percentage mass kon w chi express ka aro volume ko v chi express ka what am I na? It is the mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of the solution na. Mass by volume am I na? It is the mass of solute. Baita mass to nga solute to dissolved in may na 100 ml of solution ongyan na. Brig para parts per million. Skang ba video nga kananga parts per million fluoride ions rang wa million part to one part ni kita dissolve ode an chingni wa gam rang na namma ne kananga one parts per million ko make calculate kana number of parts of the component ya number of parts of the component baita donga ko total number of parts of all the components to divide ka emna into inode million time 10 into 6 multiply kana kita nanggen. So, mole fraction ko niyang na mole fraction ko ya x takba chi denote kalonga ya x teong ja ni ba kai niya kana. So mole fraction of a component ramay na ba kai ya ramay na number of moles of the component na number of moles of the component divided by the total number of moles of all the component again. Example, yeah, binary mixture ba two components dong pa mixture ba solution no yeah if the number of moles A and B are Na and Nb yeah Na or Nb ode yeah number of moles Na or Nb ode the mole fraction of A will be maina chi A is equal to Na yeah number of moles divided by total number or A plus B again. Aro B ko amna nangode chi B 1 NB no uskagen number of moles given total number of moles again Na plus Nb. Aro ya Na aro chi A aro chi B ko plus kaude ko sum up kaude pangnan 1 kosan mana again. Aro molarity ko capital M chi denote ka ya kora maine akanana defined as number of moles of solute baita dissolve na 1 liter of solution no dissolve ng bakon molarity niya kanana molar ar dongay no so M capital yara may na molarity ra number moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter again. Molality ko niyang na yakode molality AL nung sky no AR so molality yan small m express ka yan ni definition na may na the number of moles of the solute yara per kilogram of the solvent yan na per kg yung skagen inode liter inode kg yung skagen when m ramay na moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent kg ko a니면 mass again mass of the solvent in kg again 달린 바코디 anon bunaha 장급분노 안층 ya express ka barang ko ya concentration ko express ka barang ko wan mungsni donga warang ko mung prak numerical ba problem ka ani chi an층 위에 랑스카겐